so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. That was never
You're watching a frightening home invasion as it happens. These thugs think there's nobody home, but they're wrong. A woman and a baby are cowering in fear inside, scared out of their minds. The surveillance video starts as the intruders make their way in by an unlocked door. Inside the kitchen, they go through the drawers and grab knives to arm themselves. Inside the house in San Jose, California, a family friend, Rosie, is babysitting adorable little Dia. You can see the goons run upstairs and search the rooms. Then they realize somebody is hiding in the bedroom. Imagine the terror as the intruders attempt to break down the door. Rosie showed us how she stopped them from busting in. The intruders even kicked a hole in the door and thrust knives at them. Rosie ran with baby Dia and locked herself inside the bathroom. She screamed out that she's called police. It works. The suspects hightail it out of there.
She is my angel. She came and protected my child, and I'm so thankful to her.
The homeowners, Bikram and Bonnie Singh, installed the security cameras after a previous break-in. Now this, and it's left them feeling uneasy.
It's very upsetting and scary for the whole family.